Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Santosh Dobhal and I welcome you all to today's session. I am sure you are all doing good and are safe and happy at home. Children, today I would like to introduce to you yet another skill-based subject which can be opted by you as a sixth subject in class 9th and 10th. Besides information technology and artificial intelligence, we are also introducing financial market management as a vocational skill-based subject. This subject has been introduced jointly by CBSE and National Stock Exchange Academy. On completion of this course, you will also be issued a certificate jointly by CBSE and the National Stock Exchange Academy. Children, financial markets are a cornerstone of any economy as they facilitate buyers and sellers to trade their financial holdings like shares, bonds, and currencies. The stock market is one type of financial market. These are places where investors and lenders make funds available to those who need additional money. In simple words, when business organizations need money for investment in their businesses, they go to the financial markets like banks, stock exchanges, bond markets, currency markets, insurance sector, and the financial services. Children, financial skills, particularly in the 21st century, are as important as computing skills. It empowers a person to take informed decisions regarding the use and management of money and promotes budgeting, disciplined savings, and intelligent use of credit. The aim of introducing financial market management is to develop financial skills, to build foundation for money management and equity market, to develop basic understanding of mutual funds, capital and derivative market, to build speed and accuracy for financial market operations, to develop business acumen and entrepreneurial skills for financial markets, to gain knowledge of green skills for environmental protection, to develop computer skills required for financial market, to learn oral and written communication skills to deal with clients and to understand regulatory requirements while working in a financial market. Children, there are a lot of career opportunities available in this sector, and there is also an acute shortage of trained professionals in banking, financial services, stock markets, commodity markets, currency markets, insurance, knowledge process outsourcing industry, and the business process outsourcing industry. So there are a lot of employment options available to you in this field. All those children who think that they have the required skills like numerical ability, logical thinking, analytical skills, and good communication skills are fit to opt for this subject and to make and build a career in this. The students who wish to opt for financial market management as an optional subject in class 9 and 10 will be required to go through a simple test. They will be required to take an online test based on simple mathematical and logical ability, and only those students who qualify this test would be allotted this subject. Your teachers will be shortly administering this particular test, and if you wish to opt for this as an optional subject, you may do so by taking this test. Thank you, students, and good luck.